Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. This is our last recipe before Thanksgiving. Sweet potato casserole is so easy to make and is always delicious. I like to serve it in my favorite Thanksgiving cookware. I found this several years ago at Goodwill for $1.99. I never pay full price for anything. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and I like to keep this simple. I don't add a lot of ingredients or spices. I know there's some fancied up versions of this, but I'm all about good old simple sweet potato casserole. I peeled, diced, and boiled 7 sweet potatoes. Some were large, some were medium. I used about 2 sweet potatoes in the dog sweet potato casserole though, so I guess I've got about 5 remaining. I drained the potatoes and then I add in 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I add in some cinnamon. I use probably about a tablespoon of cinnamon because we do love cinnamon, but you can use less. Then I get my potato masher and I mash it all together. Then I add in a sprinkle of salt and pepper. I know people hate it when you use these sprinkles and dashes, but that's how I cook. I'd say it's probably less than 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I mix everything together and then I pour it into my dish. Top with crushed pecans, and I used what I had left, maybe 1/4 of a cup, but I usually like to use 1/2 cup. Then top with marshmallows. I like it to be completely covered with marshmallows so it has a good crunchy marshmallow top to it. Place it in the oven uncovered so the marshmallows will toast for about 20 to 25 minutes or until your marshmallows are how you like them. I like mine good and toasted, so I kept it in about 25 minutes. Then once you remove from the oven, cover it to keep it warm before serving. This definitely gets Bobbi Jo's drill-worthy stamp of approval. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a very, very blessed Thanksgiving and cherish the time you have with your loved ones as we gain about 20 pounds. Bye for now.